Historically, BrainOS coverage reports have provided heat maps of specific route runs. These coverage reports provide valuable data but can be difficult to contextualize within the entire cleanable area. A frequent question that operations needs to answer is what part or percentage of my space has been cleaned and what hasn't been cleaned. Routes and individual maps on their own do not provide the context and complete answer to this problem. Sitemaps is a technology that BrainCorp has developed which combines our individual map data into a larger, more useful map of the environment. This new site-level perspective of robot operations will be viewable in our web portal, mobile app, and email reports. The sitemap creates a complete picture of the space where the robot is trained to clean. Customers are now able to truly understand where routes are trained and what has been cleaned autonomously in this space. The sitemap combines all the previously separate route maps into a single view. The web portal will offer an interactive view where users can zoom, hide or show routes, and review route history all in one place.